Police officers responded regarding a disturbance between a male and a female. Upon arrival, the officers could hear a female shouting at a male.
The police here.
1000 Block Central.
How are you guys doing?
Yes. Okay,
yeah,
thank you.
Trying to be okay.
Are you guys arguing?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I talk to you first, and then I'll come talk to you, man?
What's up?
What's going on, bro?
Oh man, she tripping, man. She say I don't know, she going crazy to me.
Okay. Do you guys live here?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you guys boyfriend and girlfriend,
Yeah.
husband and wife?
Yeah. Boyfriend.
Boyfriend and girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you been dating?
Say again?
How long you guys been dating?
I like 2.5 years.
Okay. What's going on tonight, though? Just
Nah,
verbal?
Yeah. Ain't not physical.
Did you call or did she call?
I did.
You called. Okay. What were you guys arguing about?
She say I'm controlling the fire truck stick, the TV, oh man, I don't.
So you guys are just arguing over normal, everyday kind of stuff like that. Do you have your license on you?
No, sir.
Okay. What's your first name?
Ernest, EARN.
EARN.
EST.
If you just want to speak with this officer, and then I'm going to go speak with your girlfriend.
Don't be alarmed. I got this thing in my hand. Let me put the shit down. I just picked it up.
Okay. What's going on?
He called y'all. I don't want to talk. He was trying to lock me out, and then hey.
I just want to know, did anything get physical?
No.
Okay. So you guys just verbally arguing with each other?
Yeah.
You don't want to talk?
Like that's all we did was argue. I didn't want to call the police. He wanted to call y'all. So like I'm fine.
Okay. Do you have your license on you?
No, I don't have one.
What's your first name?
Tasha.
Can you spell that for me?
Where you at?
It's on my arm right now.
Where you at?
What? Tasha. What's your last name, Tasha? And we run everybody's name who we talk
That's not
to.
even my information. I didn't tell you about my right information. That's what I'm telling you now, though. Like, I didn't give you my right information because I don't want to talk to you. Like, that's what I did. Like, I didn't want to.
Well,
talk.
then
Like,
put your hands behind your back. You can't just lie. Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't want to talk to you. Listen, bro. Listen, no.
Man,
Don't cuff me.
If you're lying
Do
about
not
your
cuff me.
information.
Okay, but didn't I just tell you that, though? I didn't just trip on you or nothing like that. I just told you that.
But you're not going to lie to me.
Listen, okay, so I'm not, though. So that's why I told you that I lied, because I'm trying to tell you the truth.
Okay, you're not going to lie about your information.
Listen, I just tried to tell you the truth, bro. Like, that's all. Okay, well, go get the gun that he got in there then. Go get the gun he got out the house. Go get the gun he got out the house then. You nasty bitches, bro. Y'all nasty as
This was just a verbal
bro.
argument.
Like, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Listen, now, look why you grabbing me. I'm
Put your
standing
hands behind
here.
your back.
I'm standing right here. I'm standing right here, bro. I'm standing right here. I'm standing right here. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, listen, I didn't even do nothing. Bro, let me go. This crazy. Get your hand off me like that. Are you gonna let him beat me up and all that shit? Bro, I just told you that I'm trying to tell you what my name is. My real name. Did you hear me?
Hold her.
That's what I'm trying to tell you what my real name was.
Well, you just
I
lied
wasn't
to me
trying
and
to
told
lie
me
to
you're-
you. I wasn't trying. Listen to some bullshit.
Call for dispatch. One female detained.
Copy, female detained.
Listen, because he's not trying to listen to me, bro.
Man, this was only going to be a verbal.
It's not, bro.
This was only going to
No,
be a
it
verbal.
wasn't, bro. No, it wasn't. That's why y'all talking to him by yourself. Y'all for that. Y'all nasty as fuck. Let my arms go, please, like
Well,
this.
you're going to go to the car right now until we figure out what's going
Let
on.
it go, please.
No.
Listen, why it hurt? Listen, bro, can you listen? Like, you an asshole. Like, it's crazy. Because you already had your mind made up
No, I
before you
didn't.
even got here.
This was just going to be a
that's what you did,
verbal.
though.
This was just going to be a verbal.
Listen, I told you I didn't want to talk to you. You made me talk, so I just
Yeah,
threw out some shit. But then when you was wanting the name, so that's why I was telling you that I gave you the wrong one, so I can give you the right one. You ain't even asking me.
Okay, well,
Because you don't even care.
you're being detained for right now until we figure everything out.
Sir, what is it to figure out, though? Huh?
What's her real name?
Natasha.
So basically, she told me her real name. She just told me Tasha.
I don't know, man.
Then she goes,
trippy, like,
I just lied to you. That's not my real name.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I can't control what somebody.
Okay.
I know she be.
Right now, she's just detained, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to figure out who she is, because she told me it was just a verbal. You told me it was just a verbal. But then when I start running her name, she's like, I just lied to you. That's not my real name.
Oh, no, she always with some shit.
This was just going to be a simple report, and we were going to be on our way.
Yeah. You want to check her information real quick, see if it even comes back?
Listen, my name is Natasha. You know me.
I know.
Yes,
I know you.
Yes,
I know you.
Hey,
Natasha.
All right. Listen.
It's AU.
We were arguing, like, whatever. He called me. Like, when the police walked up, I said, like, I didn't want to talk or whatever. Listen, he was already, like, basically, like, I knew, like, what was going to happen, though. Like, he already had, like, some kind of, like, I don't know. He already had no judgment, basically, or whatever. I said I didn't want to talk, so he asked my name. I said Tasha, and then I was like Timothy or whatever. So then when he went to run my name, so I was like, listen, I said, like, I didn't give you the right information or whatever. So then he grabbed me and just said, like, I'm under arrest, though. But, like, I could have kept going with the Tasha thing. But, like, I'm telling you because I gave you, like, I'm trying to give you my right name.
Yeah. So here's now the issue. So went to detain her because she told me she lied about her name. So well, you're not gonna lie about your name on a dispute right now. You're being detained. Then she starts kind of fighting us and kicks him in the process.
You're good.
But she basically provided me a correct name, just abbreviated name. Could you still hit her with the obstruction on that and then telling me she lied about her name?
Well, I would just do the obstruction. I mean, unless you want to do Batley on you. But that's up to you.
She was doing that. She was kicking purposely. Like, she wasn't fighting. She was resisting. And then when I grabbed onto her right side and we pushed her up against the car, she was literally, like, mule kicking.
And
right
she
in the
kicked
leg.
you? Yeah.
Oh, twice.
Yeah.
So then you would just have to do the PCA for, like, he can't do his own PCA for Bad Leo.
Bad on Leo.
Yeah. So, yeah, I would say just do that. I mean, you can say that, like, all right, she literally stood there and said to me that I gave you a fake name while you're conducting a potentially criminal investigation. So you're like,
for
so you're like, all right, well, I'm going to.
You got her information?
Yeah, I'm about to get it from your computer. The correct. Yeah, she doesn't have any warrants. So, listen, Natasha, you are being arrested now for battery on a Leo. Okay.
Why?
You kicked my partner.
Listen,
Okay. Why was
it? Nobody. I was
you were
just,
mule
like,
you were
like
you were
that.
mule
Oh my God.
kicking and why you were being detained.
Listen, I was just dropping my weight. I did not try to kick him, bro. Like, come on, bro.
And obstructing.
Charges: 1. Battery on Leo. 2. Resisting arrest.